Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about two names that have momentum that I'm looking for continuation and momentum to the upside, and these stocks are not correlated at all with the indexes. That's why I like them here. Now, the first one is GAN. In fact, for the Sweet Spot Stocks members, look for this report coming out in the beginning of the month. So this stock just IPO'd actually in the beginning of May. Now, here's what I want to do. Let's drill down. I'm looking at a daily chart here. The first thing I want to look at is and point out is we have, let's draw this trend line here. We have an opening IPO price, and then we have higher lows, meaning the stock went up after the IPO, pulled back, and these are big moves. You have to figure this is 15 to about 12 bucks. Pulled back, and now the stock is making higher lows on little pullbacks and higher highs, right? It's exactly what we want to see. And one key factor is what we have to look at as confirmation of a breakout and momentum is when we make new highs. So right here, we take out the previous high, right? My drawings are perfect, I know. Look at volume down below. You see how volume is escalating right here? That's exactly what we want to see. We can actually drill down and see on this breakout, we traded 2.4 million shares. Here we traded 1.3 million shares. Now I bet you here as we consolidate, we traded less than a million shares. 700,000, not even a million shares. So you see how our volume accelerated massively, right? I mean, literally about three times our normal average volume. So look for a volume breakout, and then let's look at DraftKings. Now this is one for Sweet Spot Stocks we called out around the $17 mark. Now it's 34. Woo. Same, similar chart pattern here. Let's actually find a trend line to the upside as support. Oh man, Lance, you could draw trend lines good and quick. Look at that. Perfect, right? Now let's look. Okay, we have our pullback. That's common. Okay, we break out right here. Look at that volume. Volume elevated. We have a new breakout on this candle. Look at volume elevated. We'll go over volume here in a second. And then we break out here. What do we have? Volume elevated, right? I mean, look at this candle right here. 24 million shares, this breakout. 17 million shares, this breakout. 11 million shares. We're already at 9 million shares today. And when we consolidate, 4.5 million shares. 5.8 million shares. You see how our volume confirms a breakout as we make higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs here. So we're basically taking those stairs up. And you know what they say, when you take the stairs up, you take the elevator down. So it's always good to take profits, as we talked about in DraftKings, but use those trend lines here as support. So we can, let's make it big just for the video here. And let's extend this to the right. So if we're long, and let's say we have that big pullback, we'll look right here at this trend line for support. I hope this helps when you're trading momentum stocks. Some very good tips here in DraftKings and GAN. Let me know what you think about the video. Subscribe, like, shoot me an email. Thanks, everyone.